Good afternoon, my friends. Today I'm going to show you something about our tea estate. So I need to cut this banana and there's two. So how can I do this? And I want to adjust the camera also. Then is the some stick here, and I put camera on the stick. So you can see this banana is very expensive and very healthy. But in our village this is too much, but that's why we cannot get too much. So yes, I am cutting now. We have to remove this small branch of trees. So this time I try to get it, but it's not coming easily. When I hit like this, so trap my knife, and it's very sharp. You cannot use it without any safety. See, first time it was wrong, and secondly I tried easily cut maybe 10 kilos of banana. Okay, here is it.